how to play Terraria multiplayer on Android. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can play multiplayer mode on your Android device by playing Terraria. So, of course, the very first thing that you have to do for doing so is make sure that you are currently running the latest version of Terraria, so you will have this kind of feature. So, this is going to be your interface. What you want to have to do is, of course, choose on multiplayer. Now, if this is going to be the first time using the multiplayer feature or the multiplayer mode, you will automatically be redirected on creating a player, of course. So this is going to be the perks that you have. You can customize your character, the style, the color, the eyes, and so on and so forth. So say, for example, we're going to have to name this into test. Hit on OK. And then for additional info, under difficulty, if you set this into classic, below that you should be able to see an additional feature of the specific character that you're going to be using if you're using classic difficulty. So for classic, characters drop money on death, and then if you would like to change it into journey, journey characters start with the extra equipment, can only be played in journey worlds. For medium core characters drop items on death, and then for hardcore, characters die for good. So say for example, we're choosing on classic, then all I have to do next is to choose on next player. Now take note that you can only play multiplayer if you're gonna be on the same Wi-Fi or network. If you would like to play other friends with different network, then you're gonna have to look for the name here or add their code. And that's it. That's how you play Terraria multiplayer on Android.